Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I have this bag. Oh god, that's heavy. That's why my back goes out. I have this bag to show you. My back went out a couple weeks ago, and I've been back at work, and I've been carrying my my Le Pliage, my Longchamp Le Pliage tote, because it's really lightweight. It's just nylon. And my Neverfolds are also really lightweight, but it's been raining and I haven't wanted to take a bag that doesn't close. So I've been carrying that. And yesterday is the first day I started carrying Vuitton again since my back went out. And I went with this, and I wanted to show you in the last video how I have it set up here. So let me do that real quick. I always, this is one of my favorite bags. If you're thinking about getting a Speedy, but you think too many people have it, there's a reason so many people have it. It is so handy. I love this bag so much. So this is the Speedy in the Damier Ebene, has a red interior, which I'll show you in case you've never seen it, but surely you've seen it if you're watching a Louis Vuitton channel. And this is the size 30, so 30 centimeters across this way. I don't use an organizer in it. I like the kind of slouchy look. Some people don't. Anyway, I have added the strap from my Trevi, which I've talked about in other videos. If you do that, it's not made for that, so just be really careful. Look at the stitching there, that's not pulling and damaging your bag. I've never had a problem with it, but that doesn't mean that you won't, so be careful. It was the first time also that I've ever carried my little heart coin purse that I got, and what I've done with it here is just clipped it to oh, you can't see it. I've just clipped it right here to this ring, and then let me take the strap off so you can see it a little better. So I've just clipped it here, and then it's just hung over the strap there, and it hangs like that, and the little heart charm hangs there, and then the heart hangs, and I don't like that it's sideways, but what are you gonna do? So I think that looks cute. I think the colors here, the darker purple is an Amarante, or Amarante, I think it's Amarante. I'm not sure what the color, the lighter one is, but it's nice. I don't have anything in it. I'm just using it as a bag charm. And then on the end of this, I always carry my small luggage tag that I had my initials hot stamped into. So I just wanted to show you the bag that I was carrying, because some people are curious about that. All right, let's get into the little package. Small package today. I think I know what this is. And some of you are going to be very interested because you've asked me about it. Let's get into it first. Yep, that's what it is. All right, got a receipt. This is from Etsy. It's from mcraftleather. I'm going to leave the link below. And here's how they have it packaged. I'm going to rip into it, open it up. And what this is, here's the front of it. It's a slide. There's a side and the back for my Epi Noe, or Noe. I forget how to say that. I say it both ways. Somebody corrected me at one point, and then I still say it both ways, and now I don't remember. Okay, so this is gonna slide onto these leather straps here, so let me do that. First of all, let me put it up to the bag. And this is not Vuitton Epi. Like, I've showed you this keychain that I have here. This is made from a Louis Vuitton bag. It's not a Louis Vuitton made item. This is something that I got from Etsy, but the canvas is from a Louis Vuitton bag, a real Louis Vuitton. This is not from a real Louis Vuitton. This is just something that mcraftleather makes. mcraftleather does a lot of little replacement parts for Louis Vuitton bags. They're not an official dealer of Louis Vuitton or anything like that. They just somehow are able to do that, and the pieces look like Louis Vuitton pieces. They don't say Louis Vuitton, they say mcraftleather, so they're not trying to scam anybody or fool anybody into thinking, they're not counterfeit items, is what I'm trying to say. So let me put this on the bag and see if that fits. And a lot of you were asking me about this because I recently did a video on a very similar slide for my Monogram vintage Noe, or Noe, and that looked great. So I told you in that video that I wanted to order this Epi Slide that I'd had on my favorites list for a long time. This is beautiful. It's just perfect for this bag. Look at that. So this particular bag is about 30 plus years old. It looks like it came with that, doesn't it? It's just perfect. A couple of you mentioned that you were going to go ahead and order one of these, and I told you to wait because I had already ordered one, and let's see if it fits on here before you order in case there was some kind of problem. No problem. On your Epi bags, the people who have the Noes, I don't know if yours stays wavy like this. The Monogram bags that are made of canvas don't do that. They just open up and flop around. But the Epi ones, at least mine, it stays like this. Whoever had it before me, this bag is in near perfect condition for being as old as it is. I mean near perfect. It's almost brand new looking. By the way, these clips here, I added to the strap. So normally it would just be the leather pieces through the D-ring. You're not gonna be able to see because my hand's in the way. But I have a video about that I can link below too. It's an older video, but just in case you're wondering, I put those clips on there. They're called snap hooks, and if you ask me where I get them, I'm just gonna tell you a hardware store or Etsy. I can't tell you exactly what you're gonna need. You're gonna have to measure your straps and measure the thickness of your D-ring to see if the opening will fit over it. So I can't tell you exactly where to go. You're just gonna have to do research like I did. I'm still trying to find the perfect ones for this bag because, see, the strap isn't, or the little opening there's a little longer than the strap, and these aren't very smooth, the mechanism on them. Anyway, I'm off topic, but I know somebody's gonna ask about that. All right, that looks fantastic. I guess I don't really need a slide on this bag since it already stays closed. I needed one on my canvas bag to keep it closed. This I just got more for looks, I guess. And I think that looks fantastic. Now, if I was to open the bag up, I have to slide this down toward the end. And my bag, I don't know, I think in the newer models, they have a knot on the end. The strings on my canvas bag do have a knot to prevent the slide from slipping off. And in case you don't know, the Vuitton bags don't come with a slide. Why? I don't know. You certainly pay enough, you should have a slide, but they don't. So you can buy this one, I think it was about $35, something like that. Maybe I'm wrong, I'll link at them below. And they come in different colors too, so if you have the yellow bag or the blue or the red, they have the color, and it probably matches because they make them specifically for Vuitton bags. So I've slipped it to the end there. I can open my bag up, and there's still room. I was worried that maybe with it not having the knots at the end, the strings wouldn't be quite long enough, and it would, when you open the bag, it would just throw the slide off the strings, or maybe I'd have to put knots in it, and I really didn't want to since it didn't come with knots originally. But I've got it open all the way now, and there's still plenty of room for that slide to stay. It's caught on there. It's not gonna slip off at all. It's got some traction. I think what happens there, and I meant to explain this in my other video about the Monogram slide, I think how it is able to stay so well is the back of the straps. The front is a smooth leather, and then the back is like a suede, or is a suede, it's not like a suede. And it's the same thing with the slide itself. The outside is leather, but the inside is suede. So that suede with the texture and the toothiness, it catches and prevents it from just slipping off. So I think that is just gorgeous. What do you guys think? It's perfect. That's it. That's what I've got for you. So I hope that was helpful, and I highly recommend mcraftleather. This is the second thing I've purchased from them. I got a little tassel, and I've also, it's like a vachetta tassel, just a decoration to hang on bags that goes with bags that have vachetta trim. And they also have a bend ones. They have extra straps and all kinds of little parts for your Vuitton bags if you don't want to go in and spend the money on Vuitton parts. Some of it you have to assemble yourself though, or you could take it to a cobbler maybe. I don't know, that part's up to you. I've had great experiences with mcraftleather, and I've heard other people have too. I haven't ever heard anything that I can recall that was negative. So I do recommend them, and they're pretty well known in the LV community, at least in America. I think they're an American company. So, all right, I'll link them below, check it out, and anything else I've linked below. that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like the video if you liked it, and click the subscribe button if you haven't done that already. Also click the bell notification icon so that you can be notified when I post a new video. Thank you again for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye.